Greetings, ghouls and ghosts, and welcome back to Gothictech. My name is Raven, and tonight I'm gonna show you how to send DMs, upload pictures, even share stories on Instagram from your PC without any extensions. So, first thing, after you subscribe to my channel, or don't, go to your Instagram account. This is my Instagram account. Feel free to follow anytime you like. I post about horror games. Click on three dots, more tools, developer tool. After that, I want you to click on the toggle device toolbar. After you click on that, refresh. And now you'll see that you have a bar over here. You can actually go to your even main page, and you can go to your DMs. You can even upload pictures. You can see your likes. You can even explore. And yes, the DMs do work. And that's it. Just a quick tippy on how to reply to DMs, upload pictures, stories from your own PC. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, stab the like button downstairs and I will haunt you later. Bye. 12 bitches.